Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure iOS is current and your device is backed up so changes are reversible. Once done, pick which screens will be your primary hubs: work, home, or travel. Now press and hold an empty area or any app icon to enter jiggle mode. That lets you move apps, reveal the remove/delete control, and add widgets. Make sure to scan your app list quickly to decide what to keep on the main page versus what to hide or offload. Next, you'll group related apps into folders to reduce clutter. Drag one app onto another and give the folder a concise name so you can find it fast. Then add widgets from the plus menu. Choose sizes that match your layout and use smart stacks to rotate useful info automatically. If you want apps off the home without uninstalling, remove them to the app library. Make sure to test swipe gestures and confirm widgets refresh as expected before finishing this stage. To finish, reorder entire home pages by entering jiggle mode and dragging the page dots, and populate your dock with the 4 apps you need always accessible. Once done, configure focus modes to show or hide specific pages for work or personal time so your layout adapts automatically. If something looks wrong, icons missing or widgets not updating, restart the iPhone first. If unresolved, reset the home screen layout or re-add the problematic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.